Carbohydrates is also equally important, or sometimes even more important, especially if you are doing a lot of weight training, right? Because carbohydrates is the main source of energy for high intensity training, which is like your weights lah. Okay, so for me, I like to maximize the amount of carbs I consume in when it comes to dieting. Okay, because this allows me to maintain the most amount of muscle, because carbohydrates is quite muscle sparing. Okay, because it spikes your insulin. Okay, let's talk about how much, right? So how much is basically how after you deduct all your protein and your fats. Those are you take it as like those are the taxes that you need to pay. Okay, then you are left with carbohydrates. So the equation will be 240. Okay, so, right. So 60 grams of fat. Okay, that's my fat, right? So 540 calories. I minus from my 2,400, so I'm left with 1,860 calories. Okay, so 1,860 calories. 1 gram of carbs and 1 gram of protein is the same, 4 calories per gram. So we divide by 4. Okay, so we are left with 465 grams. This is the budget that we are left with in terms to allocate to protein and carbs, right? So we need to minus off the 180 grams from protein. So we are left with 285. So this is how I actually got my macros: 285 grams of carbs, 60 grams of fat, and 180 grams of protein.